Loneliness is a growing epidemic in care homes across England. It's a problem that can lead to depression, anxiety, and even physical decline. While there are many solutions to this problem, one low-cost solution that has proven successful is the use of African church choirs. Psychologist, pastor, and refugee Dr. Kayonda Hubert Ngamaba leads Bolton's Ephrata Community Church, which serves as a hub for the African diaspora across the northwest of England, particularly Congolese. The church choir's repertoire includes French and English hymns, traditional African songs performed in Lingala, and hypnotic chants. Dr. Ngamaba prescribed a monthly dose of music to local care homes, resulting in heartwarming results. When the choir started dancing, we saw residents standing up and joining in, said Ngamaba. The staff were amazed. These were residents who usually just sat in their bedrooms. The sense of joy was amazing. The success of the church choir has inspired other African communities to start their own programs. For example, the Congolese Association of Newcastle upon Tyne has set up a similar program that brings together community members and care home residents alike. The benefits of these programs are numerous. For one, they provide a sense of purpose and belonging to the elderly residents. They also offer them an opportunity to connect with people from different cultures and backgrounds, which can be mentally stimulating and enriching. Additionally, they help break down cultural barriers and promote understanding and respect between different communities. But it's not just the residents who benefit from these programs. The choirs themselves gain a sense of fulfillment and pride from sharing their musical talents with others. It creates a sense of community within the church and the wider community, bringing together people of different ages, backgrounds, and abilities. Of course, it's important to note that not all care home residents will respond to these programs in the same way. Some may be more withdrawn or have difficulty with communication. But for many, the music provides a welcome distraction from their everyday routines and an opportunity to socialize and connect. If you're interested in setting up a similar program at your local care home, there are a few things to keep in mind. Firstly, it's important to ensure that the choir is diverse and inclusive, representing different cultures and backgrounds. It's also important to have a clear plan in place for each session, including what songs will be performed and how the choir will interact with the residents. Lastly, it's important to seek input from both the residents and the care home staff to ensure that everyone's needs are being met. African church choirs provide a low-cost solution to loneliness in English care homes. They offer a range of benefits to both the residents and the community, promoting understanding and respect between different cultures and backgrounds. While they may not be the right solution for everyone, they offer a sense of purpose and belonging to many care home residents and help break down cultural barriers.